Yo, what's up, guys? Just making this quick video message for you because tonight's Monday and we generally have a live follow-up here in this office, my office, every Monday night. But tonight we're not going to have it because they're expecting like an ice storm. They just canceled all the schools. All the kids got out of school early. So we're not going to have a live follow-up. But I'm going to let you know who I'm sending this message to, right? So I'm sending this message to anyone who has ever come to an intro meeting over the last 90 days, right? You've come here to my office in Langhorne. You've come to the office in Philly. You've come to the Somerset office. Maybe you've come to, I don't know, the Morristown office. So obviously we're expanding rapidly, and if you've come to any of these meetings, your next step is to come to a follow-up. So included in this link, in this post, whatever I decide to do and distribute this, you're going to basically have a link to a recorded live web follow-up Q&A. But part two, the other thing that we're supposed to be doing in that room over there, which is the training room, is a Renatus iOS training. Guys, I'm also sending this to every one of you who attended our 48 hours ago, the short sale workshop, right? Whether you were here physically in the building or if you purchased the recording or you watched it on the live stream. You guys know we gave you an entire day of content-packed information, tangible action steps, exactly what you need to do to get started making money right away, right? I mean, everybody who went there raved about it. People loved it. It was an awesome workshop, a lot of participation. By the way, if you did not attend that workshop and you want to get the replay, I'm going to include a link below. It'll say workshop replay. You can purchase a copy of that replay. It's $50 for the entire day, the bonus training, the bonus that I won't even tell you what that is. That's a secret. And the presentations used throughout the day if you didn't get it. But the rest of you, what we're doing tonight specifically for the Renatus iOS training, which is our software, right? It's our white label version of RealFlow, guys, is we're going to basically do an hour training of exactly what the next steps are for you to implement in your business with the software. Oh, that's too loud. Hold on. So what I'm saying is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a screen share. It's going to be a webinar. You can attend the webinar wherever you're at. You don't have to come to the office. We were going to do it here in the office, but obviously with the weather, we can't do that. So I'm going to do a webinar. I'm going to live stream it through Zoom. And so I'm going to include the link in this video so all of you can attend that. Guys, we're going to show you how you can immediately start getting leads. How do you identify leads? Okay, this is the follow-up to the workshop that you attended on Saturday. Where do you get the leads? How do you use the software to find the leads? How do you create a direct mail campaign? How do you analyze a deal, right? How do you put together a repair estimate? How do you use a paperless office? How do you link your team? And then finally, how do you move your deal? How do you sell it? How do you push it out there? We're going to take you through the life cycle of a deal from A to Z tonight. Now, I think this training is going to be so intense that we're probably going to need, I can't say it still, we're probably going to need 2 full days to do it. Excuse me, 2 trainings, which are an hour each. So I'm thinking we're going to do part 1 tonight for an hour. Probably in 2 or 3 weeks, we'll do part 2. But you don't want to miss this, guys. This is key, critical information. It's the new year, right? It's 2018. You want to start making money? I'm giving you the tools. I'm showing you exactly what you need to do. Me and the Don. So let's go. Click the link below. Let's register. Join us for the Renatus iOS. If you haven't seen the follow-up, watch the follow-up. If you haven't bought the replay of the workshop, get the workshop. Let's start making some freaking money, all right? Guys, we'll see you soon. Be safe. See ya.